Building Trust with Your Feline Companion, a step-by-step guide to winning over a cat's confidence. Cats are renowned for their ability to think for themselves and use their judgment. Although it may not take long for some cats to become comfortable with their human companions, it may take longer for others. To have a happy and healthy relationship with your feline companion, it is necessary to forge a solid connection with him or her that is founded on trust. This video will provide you with helpful tips and insights. If you are looking to strengthen the connection you have with your cat and earn its trust, pay attention to their private area. One of the first things you should do to win a cat's trust is to show them that you respect their personal space. Cats are animals that are territorial, and when their personal space is invaded, it can make them feel uncomfortable or even threatened. Allow your cat the freedom to approach you at their own pace, and try to avoid forcing them to interact with you. Give them permission to investigate their surroundings, and create hiding places for them so they can go there when they need some quiet time to themselves. Patience and a gentle approach are required. When it comes to winning a cat's trust, the most important quality to possess is patience. A hasty approach can be counterproductive and could cause your cat to become more wary or anxious if you try to rush the process. Approaching your cat in a calm manner and staying away from sudden movements or loud noises that could startle them is important. To convey a sense of safety and reassurance, speak in a soft voice and make use of gentle gestures, such as slow blinking and light petting. Reinforcement a la positive. The use of positive reinforcement is an effective strategy for gaining a cat's trust. The desired behavior should be rewarded with treats, praise, or playtime. This strategy helps cats associate positive experiences with your presence, which ultimately leads to them being more likely to trust you. Avoid using punishment or other forms of negative reinforcement, because they can instill fear and erode the trust you've built up. Activities of fun and companionship. Participating in sessions of interactive play with your cat is a fantastic way to build trust and a solid relationship with your feline friend. Make use of toys that require interaction with the user, such as wand toys or puzzle feeders, to excite their natural instincts and provide mental and physical stimulation. The benefits of regular playtime include the development of trust, the reduction of stress, and the promotion of a feeling of well-being. Pay attention to the signs that they are giving you to communicate. The ways in which cats convey their thoughts and feelings are distinctly their own. Paying attention to their body language and vocalizations can provide valuable insights into their emotions and help you better understand their boundaries. The position of a cat's tail, the way in which its ears are oriented, and the sounds it makes can all provide insight into the feline's emotional state. The cultivation of trust and the maintenance of a positive interaction can be ensured by paying attention to the communication signals that are being sent by the other party and responding appropriately. Create some sort of pattern for yourself. The stability and predictability of their environment allows cats to thrive. Your feline friend will feel more safe and secure if you establish a daily routine for both of you to follow. Your cat will be able to feel more at ease and establish a stronger bond of trust with you. If you feed it at regular intervals, play with it, and designate certain areas of the house as quieter spaces, permit the establishment of trust to take its natural course. There is no one way to win a cat's trust because they are all individuals, and the amount of time it takes can vary greatly. It is essential not to rush the process of establishing trust but rather to allow it to develop in a natural manner. It's possible that some cats are more outgoing and affectionate than others, while others may require more time and patience from their owners. Pay attention to your cat's unique personality, and be ready to put in the time and energy required to develop a trustworthy connection with it. The process of gaining a cat's trust is one that takes time and requires patience, understanding, and a healthy amount of reverence. You can build a solid foundation of trust with someone if you respect their personal space. Approach them in a gentle manner, use positive reinforcement, engage in play and bonding activities, and pay attention to the cues they give you regarding how they want to be communicated with. Keep in mind that every cat is different, and they all gain their trust at their own rate. You can forge a profound and meaningful connection with your feline companion that will last a lifetime if you give the relationship sufficient time, love, and understanding.